can. Actually, we were going to present for 10 minutes when we tried to make much quicker. So, our main goal is to distribute 3D printers of the Korea to countries where the 3D printer is not spread yet, like Korea, Uzbekistan, Russia, Kazakhstan, these kind of Central Asian countries, Euro-Asian countries. So our main point is to distribute it by providing them free distance learning courses to them as well. So there are many there are many distributors of 3D printers, but the thing is they don't provide free courses to them. That's why they don't buy from them at all. So our main point is to provide them free courses. So then we would be able to sell them our 3D printers much more. Then out of this profit, if we make some profits from this by selling the 3D printers, then we are going to expand our business spheres to another spheres as well, like textile and garments, health and beauty stuff, this kind of stuff. The first thing we were going to make to open the trading platform, but this takes too long time. That's why we just decided to start with 3D printing. That's the main point. And if you have any more questions?
Moreover, our service will be to provide 3D printers. Free lectures for our customers. Therefore, in Uzbekistan, in our country, we will rent an office. In this office, we will conduct online education. We will teach our customers remotely. While we are in Korea, we will teach our customers remotely. They will be in Uzbekistan. So, I think it will contribute to the development of distance learning, IT technology, as well as we will open website, and in this website we will store all of our lectures, video lectures, and we can also earn money from this. We can sell our lectures. I think, I hope, we will succeed in this business.
Not just in Uzbekistan, we'll spread it to other countries as well.
Yes. The 3D printer isn't developed in Uzbekistan, not only in Uzbekistan, in our neighbor countries, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, and others. We can just expand this business, expand its business after we succeed in Uzbekistan, in our country.
So the strongest point is we don't have any competitors at all.
Yes.
It's free market. So we will be the first one who will come by providing such a service to them. And the weak side is we have to teach them, and it takes a bit time. So to get on well with the teaching stuff. That's it.
Time.
스튜디오라는 컨셉을 가지고 디자인 문구 제품이나 리빙 제품을 디자인해서 제작 판매를 하고 있고요. 저희 판매를 하고 있고, 지금 사업한 지는 한 1년 정도? 1년은 안 됐고, 올해 초부터 시작했고요. 그리고 저희는 지금 현재는 10x10이나 여러 오프라인 매장에 입점되어 있고, 중국 수출도 좀 진행을 하고 있습니다. 저희는 저희 캐릭터의 스토리를 기본으로 제품을 거의 제작하고 있고 스토리 연재도 진행하고 있습니다. 네, 감사합니다.
중산대 시장에서 이루어지고 있습니다. 이렇게 사실 이뿐만 아니라 실제로 공유 경제가 많이 트렌드죠. 그래서 이제 주거 형태는 굉장히 많이 진화를 하고 있는데 주거 계약은 굉장히 고착화되어 있습니다. 저희는 이러한 것에서 문제점을 찾아서 이제 전자계약과 전자서명을 통해 빠르고 편리하면서도 그들에게 안전한 통합된 시장 플랫폼을 제공해 주려 합니다. 실제로 계약은 굉장히 조금 무거운 경향이 없지 않아 있습니다. 그래서 이제 대학생들에게 그들에게 꼭 필요한 것만 전대차 계약에 넣어주고